So October historically is supposed to be one of the best months for crypto, right? You have Pumptober, Pumpvember, and right now prices just really aren't looking that good. Right now, if we look at something like BTC, you can see that we're at 26K. We're actually below where we entered the month at. So this is actually a red month so far. Now, there's obviously no guarantee of whether we're going up or going down to close the month. There's still a lot of stuff that has to happen. We have an FOMC meeting to close out the month. We get GDP late this month. There's going to be a lot of stuff that affects price. But the machine learning algorithm is setting a price for ADA for the end of the month. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. I don't know what they use to project these prices, but what we are expected to see, at least via this machine learning algorithm, is that by the end of the month, we are going to be in the 23.5-cent range. Okay. Now, I don't necessarily agree with this. Okay. As always, I am far more bullish on Cardano ADA than some others are. But right now, I think price is going to get pretty boring. Okay, I drew it out a while ago, the potential of where ADA could be as we get to late this month. And we're probably going to continue consolidating from here. All right, right now, again, there's not a whole lot of catalysts. Okay, we broke down from this market structure of trading sideways around that 26-cent level. And we've stacked together 5 straight days of red candles. We've dropped down again to this 24.5-cent range. And right now, it looks like we're going to follow this trend line and just continue to move to the downside. Now, what this means is that we're actually closer to 24 cents versus 23.5, which semantics, right? Not much there. But I want people to realize too, when you get down into these ranges and you really test these support lines, you can get whiplash pretty quick. All right. Price can explode out of here in a split second. Just look at what happened. You know, we came down, we tapped it, and we exploded back up to almost 27 cents. Okay. That's the kind of potential that there is in a move like this, especially in a historically good month. Now, again, we don't know what's going to happen in some of these reports. We don't know what's going to happen on a macro fact or a macro standpoint. Okay. We also don't know if things like war are going to take a turn for the worse and times are going to get even worse than they are now. All right. We don't know. There is a lot of uncertainty right now. There is a lot of fear in the markets. And again, right now, we're just not seeing that influx of capital. Now, I do have to say this. Miles Dutcher, I should have, I think I retweeted this out, guys. I apologize. I should have had this pulled up. So Miles Dutcher actually retweeted this yesterday. He said, this time must be different, right? Bitcoin dominance is rising, alts getting smashed, liquidity drying up, retail has vanished. Good news has no impact on prices. All right. Well, actually, this is typical market behavior at this stage in the cycle. All right. That's what people need to realize is right now, yes, the times may seem uncertain. They may seem bad, but we're actually on track with where we should be. If you guys remember back in 2019, we actually followed this same exact pattern. We went through this drop to close out the year. BTC was not setting new lows, but it was in fact dropping. And we were seeing this kind of negativity here. You can see that on the charts, right? We dropped to close out the year before starting our run up once the year turned. That's why I'm saying that as soon as we flip over into 2024 and people stop liquidating, we could see that same kind of rise that we saw really to start 2023, that big explosion from this low price range. I mean, we could essentially consolidate around 24 cents to close out the year and then just explode up instantly. So as always, this is not financial advice. It's possible to get whiplash. That's why I just continue to add. I'm trying to take advantage of these low prices while I can, because there may be a point where this market structure breaks and we're not here anymore. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.